part 5, that's what we're working on now. Battery tray, new shocks, we've got some sway bar link connectors, the sway bar bushings, the bushings for the A-arms. Shims for the A-arms are one big rusty mess, so I got new ones of those. And we are on our way. Oh, look at that, we got more room to work. Flappers out of there. I've never used my buddy's little nibbler here. Nibbler, we'll see. Freshly formed pieces going in now. You can put it over there. Yeah, by the snow, yeah. Got this piece in pretty good. Oh, it looks like it's supposed to be there. Oh, she's a beauty. Got her cleaned up under the hood.
You hold the top one while I do this bottom one.
What? Busy. We gotta get the A-arms out so we can replace these bushings. Don't shot. Don't clean the A-arms up. Lower ball joint released. There. And then we realized we've got the sway bar still connected, and that connects to the bottom. I gotta get something on here. You cheat, you got leverage and I don't. That's not fair. Yeah, look at those babies. Those are probably original. Like 40-year-old stuff. We done for the night? Yes. So tomorrow, or whatever, right here we gotta do another one of these. So let's get some oil on that one. This is the same thing where we have to split it. That hammer. We'll split this one, and then this will drop down. Whoop. You got school tomorrow? I work tomorrow. Easter is done. 10:15 Sunday night? Okay. Are we making a drifting car? Working on this stuff. Gotta get that spring out of there. Grease is slowing you down. So we decided probably to get some new springs. This is part of the spring. It's not a part that's doing any lifting, but it's still probably not a good sign that the spring broke. So. There it is. I mean, maybe the button here was halfway in between. Maybe it wasn't all the way.
We'll go the wrong way and we'll go the right way.
Yeah, because that's the wrong way there. So hit the button and it should go the right way. So we had a weird one. We had a long bolt, trying to unscrew it with this, holding it on the other side over here. I think from the ratcheting action of this, it was jarring this so much, it was changing the guts so it would flip over to the other way. And so all of a sudden it would be loose and it'd be going the wrong way. I said, why does that keep going the wrong way? But I think it was, this was making this flip the wrong way. Weird. Coil springs. The factory ones were broken, so I thought, oh, we might as well get new ones since they had them. I ordered springs that were supposed to be for this car. Air conditioning was one of the questions. What motor did it have? This is what I got. They're a little bit different in height. I counted the coil count and I measured the diameters of the wire. I came up with this. This is the old side. I got a little over 8 coils. The new one I got almost 10 coils. The height, they're almost 2 inches difference in height. The new ones were a little less, the old ones a little thicker. This is the 305. That engine weighs about 540. Transmission is about 120, total 660. The LS motor is 460 is the transmission. So we're almost 50 pounds lighter. So what I decided to do, ran it by my son. He said, yeah, that sounds like a good plan. We're going to take the factory spring, shove it up into the frame into its perch, jack underneath it, lift it up to a certain level from the floor, and then we'll measure where the car is from some certain point. And then we'll do that with the other one. I'm guessing we're gonna have to cut some coils out of that new one. Whoop, I turned the knob. So I don't feel too bad about cutting the coils. It's wrapped back to itself. This side is that way too, but not as tight. I'll just cut some off of this side. Anyway, springs A-arm update. This is the bottom one. This is where the spring sits down in here. It was, I don't know, probably a ½ inch of rust sitting in there that I had to chisel out. And I thought, man, I'm going to go right through the bottom of this thing. It actually did get kind of thin down in this area here by the time I got it all chiseled out. So you can buy new ones all ready to go with the bushings in it and everything. And I think they're powder coated. We got new ones. I think it was the right choice. They look nice now too. New springs and new A-arms. So as you can see, touching up a little paint on the bare metal. Start bolting stuff in. Don't put your foot on the wet paint. Well, I didn't even think about that one. Put your foot on the can.
Caught it with my foot though.
None of the bolt.
You can do the bolt.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready. Don't go too far because you got to get your these over in over there.
Over there.
The look like they stayed in position. Yeah. Good. Socket disappear? I heard it. I thought I heard it hit the ground, yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Way away somewhere.
In the wheel well.
In the wheel well. Where?
It's underneath.
Oh, it's on the ground?
On the inside of the wheel.
Oh. That's an interesting spot to land your socket. You couldn't see it. Get your zerk in there. Grease zerk. Yep. Don't go berserk over your grease zerk. Somebody was going around corners too fast. Look what happened to that bushing. Sway bar bushing. Elongated and crunchy. Finally getting around to checking the spring heights so we get them balanced right between the old and the new. Might be a little tricky. Maybe it's gonna want to move on me. Oh, I lifted it. That's a good sign. That over 19 and a half. Oh, 19 and a half plus. It's really close to 10. That didn't take much. I'm finding it's not that accurate because the spring I think is not exactly vertical or the same as the other one every time. There it goes. Oh. We're still going, but I'll end this part of the video. Upper A-arm in. Looking good. Got this bushing in for the sway bar. Those springs, both of those cut to the right length, or hopefully the right length. I think we'll be playing around with the engine next. Whatever makes sense.